Some men don't chase legend, they become it. Crazy Horse was one of them. A boy born under a wide, unforgiving sky. A dreamer who saw the world differently. A warrior who carried the weight of a people on his shoulders. He spoke little, but his actions thundered across the plains. He rode without fear, fought without hesitation, led without ever seeking the title of chief. To the Lakota, he was a protector. To the U.S. Army, he was a phantom. To history, he became something more, a symbol of resistance that refuses to fade. But behind the myth was a man, a son shaped by visions, a lover torn by heartbreak, a leader caught between tradition and a world collapsing around him. Was he a prophet, a reluctant hero, or simply a man trying to hold on to the last breath of a free nation? This season, on Chronicles of the Old West, we follow his path from the quiet hills of his youth to the battles that carved his name into the memory of a continent, to the betrayal that turned a living legend into a martyr. You'll walk beside warriors, chiefs, scouts, and soldiers. You'll witness the rise of a man who fought like a storm, and you'll see why his spirit still echoes across the plains. This is Chronicles of the Old West. This is Spirit of the Thunder People, the life of Crazy Horse.